If you're a small business or medium business owner who needs to deliver goods to clients promptly, you might be in the market to lease a van. One van to consider is the Ford Transit Custom, one of the best-selling vans in the UK. Want to find out why it's a great choice for your business? Keep watching. Capacity. The Ford Transit Custom has 6 cubic meters of space, which means it has an astonishing amount of room, considering it's only a medium-sized van. If you feel like that isn't enough room for the things you need to transport, you have another option. The Ford Transit Custom also comes in a long wheelbase, high-roofed version, which gives you up to 8.3 cubic meters of space. This makes it great for transporting items that are long or odd-shaped. Choice. Other Ford Transit Custom choices include double cabin van, combi, and high roof. The double cabin van model gives you a second row of seats should you need to transport your workers along with the products or equipment. The combi van model is similar, but it has an additional row of seats, giving you 3 rows total. And the high roof model gives you some extra space, which is perfect if you have a decent amount of product to carry. Engine power. The Ford Transit Custom comes with a 2.0-liter Ford EcoBuild diesel engine. Choose from 105, 130, or 170 PS for the outputs, depending on how much power you need. Obviously, the heavier loads you shift, the higher you should go. If your business is only transporting light loads, any of the output choices will suffice. But if you need to transport heavy loads and/or do some towing, the Ford Custom Transit can do that too. Great fuel efficiency. Unfortunately, a significant cost that comes with running a business is the diesel you use in your vehicles. This is why it's vital that you choose vans that don't guzzle up a ton of fuel, leaving you with a high bill. The Ford Transit Custom is amazing when it comes to fuel economy. The MPG of this van is anywhere from 43.5 to 45.6 depending on the output you choose. There are also a few helpful features in place to help you conserve more diesel, such as the Ford Auto Start-Stop system, acceleration control, and battery management. Excellent road safety. Operating a van that's filled to the brim can be difficult and even dangerous sometimes. Thankfully, Ford's come up with many amazing pieces of technology to assist you on all your deliveries. The van features roll stability control, which can help keep your tires grounded so your vehicle won't tip over when you're making turns. Other features include electronic stability control, sidewind stabilization, traction control, emergency brake assist, trailer sway control, and hill start assist. As you can see, the Ford Transit Custom is perfect for delivering anything you need to get from point A to point B. With this reliable van, transporting your products and supplies will be a simple and smooth procedure. If you're ready to lease a Ford Transit Custom or 2 for your business, take a look at our selection now. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.